Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share with you a super fun, easy Halloween treat that you can make for your kids or for yourself that doesn't have a ton of junk in it, that is sure to delight. So in my recipe, Halloween Gummies, I'm sharing how to make super delightful, like delightfully creepy, crawly, black gummies that are opaque and black and scary. I can't even believe I made something so gross. I'm not like a creepy, crawly, gross person. Grubs, spiders. There's another spider. It's a little black butterfly. With a few super easy to get ingredients and like one kind of super secret ingredient that you can get on Amazon. I'm Jenny and I blog at The Domestic Wildflower, and I love helping beginners get started making homemade foods and crafts. And I love homemade gummies because gelatin, my friends, gelatin is so easy, like so much easier than you would think. You would think that it would be hard. It's not. Gelatin is so fun and so easy, and with a few techniques like whisking like your life depends on it, you can make gummies that are not full of sugar. You can make them with homemade or store-bought juice, and you can pour them into all kinds of fun molds that will delight you and your family, and they're just really fun and delish. So for the Halloween gummies, I used this mold from Mr. Gummy, and the pack came with 2 of them, and in my blog post I linked to it. But it came with 2 that are identical, so you see that there's like, snails, I guess, slugs, probably. A snail has a shell, right? And butterflies and like grubs, which actually turned out so good. They look really great. Ladybug bugs, spiders, and the centipedes. So when I got this, I thought like maybe this won't work, right? I thought like maybe the spider legs won't come out, maybe the centipede legs won't pop out right. If you wait until the gummies are cold, which takes about 25 or 30 minutes in the fridge, they come out so easily. Like, it's not a nightmare. It is not a tedious task. It's easy. They pop right out. In the blog post, I explain that you can kind of push against the outside edge of the gummies, like extremities, either the spider legs or the centipede legs first, and then push on the center of the bug. Then they pop out super easy, and then they come out all in one piece. I think I did show you one spider that is missing a leg. That little guy is missing a leg, but I bet that was because I was excited to take pictures last night and I hurried. But like they're completely black, opaque, and like creepy crawly and crazy looking. I did add a tablespoon or 2 of sugar to this recipe just to add it a little bit more sweetness, but there's so much less sugar than store-bought gummies or other gummy recipes I found online. Like, there's just tons of corn syrup in other ones, which I know fruit juice does have natural sugars in it, but I feel like these are a great alternative for, the whole Halloween season is just like candy, candy, candy. You could make a batch of these in about 10 minutes and then have something that's fun and festive for your family or for yourself or for the gals at the office or for whomever, but it's just not completely chock full of sugar. So you can find the recipe on The Domestic Wildflower, and I'll link it here. And you definitely need to check it out. It's great. And in the post, I share exactly how I get them so black as night. And I link to the gummy molds, which, you really cannot go wrong with this many different kinds of bugs. They're so great. But if you have any questions about making homemade gummies, be sure to check it out or send me a message. And happy Halloween.